stepped out of my zone. I had to get out all alone and figure it out on my own. And I know what I really want now. Can't stop me, can't break me, but don't kill me, gon' make me. Shoot for the stars, no safety. And now I see clear in HD. Gotta go hard, gotta go hard. I ain't got time to waste. I ain't got time. I gotta go high, gotta go high. I gotta elevate, I gotta elevate. They wanna fight, they wanna fight. I'm just gon' let them hate. I'm just gon' let them hate. I gotta go high, gotta go high. I gotta elevate, I gotta elevate. You gotta choose a side, you gotta choose a side. You gotta pick, you gotta do what's right, or you gonna lose the fight. You gotta go hard, you gotta choose a side. You gotta choose a side. You gotta pick, you gotta do what's right, or you gotta lose the fight.
I'm a well slinger to a gunslinger, no millimeter, this is my arena. I'm the black widow with a bad stinger, and I make you scream like a bad singer. I'm everything that you wanna be plus more, since there's no heroes anymore. Jump out the window, then put the mask on. Who the bad man that the man got a bash on? Hope we'll never link up, blink and you will see.